Long, long time ago, there was a bank. The Bank of the Rich. This bank was the richest of all banks. A couple of kids needed money, so what did they do? They robbed it.
Hi there.
Hi, ma'am. Welcome to Moon Cone. So would you like to order?
I'd like a pumpkin spice latte with extra ice, please.
$7, but we're doing a discount offer for 8 cents.
8 cents? Here you go. Please scan my card.
Card is declined, ma'am. Do you want I can check your balance? 7 cents. Get out of here, you brokey.
We need to rob a bank. Huh? How can we rob a bank?
There.
Don't worry, folks. I have a plan.
What's your plan, boss?
First, you have to hack into their security system.
Hacking the system.
And then Jacob has to go to a vent and go to the vault, hack in, take all the money, and then we escape. I'm going to the vent. That's the vault.
The password is 531BOOB.
Okay. Yes, the money.
How am I supposed to escape?
You blow up the roof, duh.
Oh, that sounds a great plan.
Jacob, the mission isn't over yet. Remember, the exit man.
You jump to the back fence, go through the back door, make your way to the entrance place, and exit.
Balot, I placed the explosive right in your shoes. Throw it at the roof.
At least I'm in the roof.
You're in the bottom roof.
Oh. I just have to I'm on the roof. I'm a normal customer. Hi, I'm a normal customer.
You don't seem like one.
I am.
Okay then, sir. What's that in your bag?
It's just a golden burger.
Don't worry, Balot.
Emergency!
Jacob, you have to run.
I cannot open the door.
Police! You're under arrest.
No, please, don't want to go to prison.
I hate this.
Me too.
Wait, where's boss?
I don't know.
Wait a second. Wait a minute, there it is.